7th grade families, and welcome to Ms. Howard's virtual open house. Today I just wanted to walk you through a couple things that you're going to be seeing throughout the school year. As you can see, we're starting off with the JCMS webpage, and if you go from here to Our Teachers and then click on Howard, you guys will see a lot of information for our class on here uploaded for you guys. Just a little intro about me. The class schedule for this year has also been uploaded here. In case you're wondering any time for the school day, what time are classes and what time do we get out. And then one of the most important things that you will find on here, which your students will also be getting as a paper copy on the first day of school, is their 7th grade math syllabus. So this will go over the major topics that we're going to be covering. It'll go over any supplies that they need. It will go over the procedures in the classroom, as well as the grading policy. And probably the most important for you guys is going to be this right here, the Remind 101 texting. So if your student has me for Core 1, you can text this handle right here to 81010. You can also download the Remind 101 app on your phone, and you can use my class code to get in there. And I will be posting updates, and when tests are coming up, quizzes coming up, things like that. And if you have questions, you can also directly message me on there. So that will be set up for your students. And then once we get rolling, we will have a week at a glance here. This will be posted every single week for you guys to view, so you guys can see what we're doing in the classroom, what's going to be sent home with them, and different things like that. Also, tests and quizzes will be announced on the week at a glance as well. Another thing that I wanted to talk about is just the different platforms that we're going to be using this year. Aside from our Ready books, which the students will be getting actual paper textbooks that have their instruction, as well as a practice book that they'll be working on to practice the concepts they learn. We will also still be using Clever, which is where iReady is housed. And if you've been in the district before, we have been using iReady for years now, so that's something that they will be using. They'll have 2 lessons that they need to pass per week. And one new thing that you might not have seen before, depending on what the students' teachers used before, is this Formative app right here. So what I've done is I've pulled up a mock classroom as a student, and what GoFormative is just a site where we can assign things, whether that be a test, a quiz, a practice sheet, anything like that. So I'm going to go into one of these as if I'm a student, and it'll pull up what the title is right there. It'll pull up how many questions are there. It'll show their progress bar if they've answered anything. They have different types of questions we can ask the students and put out to them. They also have show your work sections, so they can go in there and they can draw all over the page to show their work. And they can also, they can also go in and sometimes we'll insert videos on there just kind of as a check-in to any guided practice that they have. It's taking a moment to load right now, but there's a video right here, so if I wanted them to watch a video on fractions to decimals, like it says here, they would be able to watch that and answer questions. So GoFormative is really just one of those sites that's there for the students to work on things, to assign. They can also instant message back and forth to the teacher. I can send them a message for every single question, and they can instant message me back and things like that. So you'll probably see a lot of GoFormative this year, as well as the Teams and the OneNote. So iReady, GoFormative, Teams, OneNote, and there is a new site coming from the district called Apex that we will be delivering to the students and giving more information about when we have been trained on the new technology there. So if you have any questions, please feel free. Do not hesitate to email me, ashley.howard, ashley.howard.howard@onslow.k12.nc.us. I'm also going to go ahead and take you back to those Remind 101 codes right there, so you can pause the video and sign up for Remind 101. Like I said, I'll be posting updates on there. Please let me know if you guys have any questions, and I look forward to meeting all of you guys.